Here's how to fix the failed to initialize watchdog or failed to start service error. Search Windows for core isolation and open it. Turn it off and restart your computer when prompted. Next, search for Turn Windows features on or off. Find Hyper-V and Virtual Machine Platform and make sure both are unchecked. Uncheck them if needed and click OK. Open your browser and search for C++ Redistributable. Click the first official Microsoft link, scroll down to the table showing x86 and x64 versions, and download both. Run each installer, then restart your PC. Once back up, search for CMD, right-click and select Run as Administrator. Type bcdedit//set hypervisor launch type off exactly and press Enter. Restart your computer one final time and the watchdog error should be fully resolved. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.